MPC of the North and NCNC of the East ruled this country, and they were at each other's throat in the First Republic. Immediately the war ended, the Igbos who were talking about pogrom and genocide, who caused the genocide? Was it the Yorubas? Was it the Hausas? Was it your own Igbo people? All right? You said there was genocide. On the very day the war ended, the Igbos were back in the North. For one country's sake, thank God everybody went back. In the Second Republic, therefore, MPN of the North plus NPP of the East ruled this country. This country still had no peace. At the end of it all, the Igbos are killed them all. So who caused genocide? Who caused this pogrom we are talking about? I was shocked that people would oppose dialogue. I was 22 years old in 1962 when I went to Congo. 50 years till today, they are still fighting. Isn't it better to be talking 50 years than to be fighting 50 years? What is wrong in talking? If you say you don't trust the man, give him a chance. That's an assumption. You don't trust him that he won't do this, he will not do this. You are the person assuming. You are the person I should not trust. Because you are probably looking for your own personal interest. This country is gone back to where we started.